So strings, you can do a number of things with that. So let's go ahead and create a string. First name is equal to Luke. String last name is equal to Skywalker. And we can go ahead and create a full name. String full name is equal to first name plus last name. Console.writeLine full name. So now if we run this, we're going to get out a completed string, Luke space Skywalker. So you can add two strings together. You can also add in other types. So let's go ahead and get rid of this. And we'll say the first name is Johnny. And I'm not going to put a last name, but I'm going to just build a full name. String full name is equal to first name plus 5. And so notice that this is not complaining, even though I gave it an integer there. What happens with C# is when you print this, console.writeLine full name, and I run this, notice that it will print out Johnny 5. In fact, I should probably put a space there. Let's see, quote, there we go. And so now it will actually print out Johnny space 5. Now, as a side note, if you do not get this particular reference, then you need to go and watch the 1985 or 1986 movie Short Circuit. So, I mean, it's a great classic 80s movie. But Johnny 5 was the robot in there. So, if you take a integer, what C# will do is it will actually take that, and if I press period there, notice there is a toString method that we can call. And so it is taking whatever is in there, and if that thing has a toString method that it can actually use, it will convert that over to a string and add it to the strings there. So, and notice that this is grayed out. It's redundant because it's automatically already doing that. But effectively what it's doing is it's taking this integer, calling toString, what's getting returned from there ends up being this, and then it's just adding those together. So that is why adding strings and integers, or strings and floats for instance, would just work in C# is because since everything is object oriented and there's classes, it's able to convert that over to the type that you actually need.